Welcome to the Witchger School of Engineering at Marian University. This state-of-the-art facility is 70,000 square feet, and it was designed and constructed with flexibility in mind, flexibility in space and flexibility in systems contained within. I'm Eric Bramel, project manager and principal in charge of engineering at Schmidt Associates. Let's go inside and check out the building.
When you step into this building, it makes you want to learn. It makes you want to be a great student and just pay attention.
There are so many different study spaces here, which is what I really like, and there's so many labs.
All the new technology in the labs and our new machine shop.
I look forward to coming to classes because I am in this building.
Welcome to the makerspace. This is one half of the space. This is what they call the dirty side. There's power pretty much on every wall, every few feet around here. Overhead power that can be coiled and moved. On the other side, it's a cleaner space that can serve as a classroom, and there's also 3D printers on that side. This is their hands-on space to make things in the real world, so that when they go to apply for an internship or try to figure out what they want to do or what industry they want to be in, they have that practical experience to lean on.
I spent a lot of my time here. Just being an engineering major, you have to study, and this is the perfect place to do it.
So here we are in the boiler room. Behind me are the condensing boilers. They're the high efficiency boilers that heat the building. Along to the side is all the piping distribution, so all the heating and cooling gets distributed by those pumps, the chill water and the hot water. Lastly, I just wanted to mention over here is kind of the plumbing area where we have the domestic hot water heaters. These large skids right here are for the vacuum and for the compressed air for the labs. So all this had to be fit into the space, and you can see there's plenty of service space for access and maintenance over time, but also we wanted this room to be a showpiece for engineers that want to be in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. A very important space, really the heart and lungs of the building. Behind me is a wind tunnel that the students use. It's kind of a classic instrument for a fluids lab. I would say this lab is quite typical of the rest of the building. All the furniture is movable. The mobile workstations are flexible with what's going on in the space. Another interesting feature, they wanted to have these really tall windows to get this beautiful view of the campus. As engineers, we say, well, what about when it's 10 degrees below zero, right? So the classic answer is you put radiant heat along the floor, which doesn't look all that great. So we use the radiant heating panels to overcome that and to allow for the better aesthetics in the space.
At first I was really interested in the light sculpture that's right when you walk in, and I always thought the stairs was really cool, which that might sound weird, but the stairs look cool in here, I think.
So we're on the roof now at the building, and I just wanted to highlight a few of the major pieces of equipment that are up here. On the left is the main laboratory air handling unit, and on the right is the unit that serves mainly the office spaces. So there are two different kinds of systems, and then behind me is the laboratory exhaust fans. Those are high plume exhaust fans that dilute the air that comes out of the fume hoods and the chemical labs. And on the very end, you can see the chiller for the building. But looking forward to bringing some students up here to show them what's behind the scenes and the guts of the building. So we're really proud to be part of this project. Looking forward to all the good learning that's going to happen in this environment. And we're also looking forward to being a part of that, influencing and letting students know about our industry. And we think the building can be a great tool